What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel again. I got a very special thing. Huge changes coming, huge changes. But for the first time ever, I am building my own custom PC. Now I have all the parts up here. They're not out the box yet, but I'm gonna be building my PC. I'm not gonna record the process of me building it, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you a highlight of some of the things that I got. So yeah, we're going to get started on this building. Hopefully everything goes smooth. So I'm finished building the computer. It took me all day long, basically about 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours. It's my first time trying to boot it up, so hopefully everything goes good. I've got some lots of stuff on this. Keep the power button. See what she does. It turned on. It turned on. That's my computer build. I'm gonna do a highlight of all the stuff, and yeah, it's pretty fun building my first PC. It went pretty smooth, and I'm pretty excited about it. I already got the LED strip inside of it. First placement is perfect where it goes at, and yeah, so I'm gonna just turn it on, let you guys see some of the stuff. Yeah, that's gonna finish off this video, and hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully it's not too long. Stay tuned for another video.